Wasting time scrolling? Here are 3 money-making tips from Crushing It by Gary Vee so you can turn content into cash. Tip 1. Your personal brand is your most valuable asset. In today's world, attention is currency, and your personal brand is how you earn it. Whether you're into fashion, fitness, finance, or frogs, there's an audience for you. Gary says, document, don't create. You don't need a perfect life or fancy setup. Just start showing your journey, thoughts, and ideas. People connect with real more than perfect. Don't chase viral, build trust. Tip 2. Post everywhere, all the time. Gary's advice. Be omnipresent. That means post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, LinkedIn, wherever your audience is. Repurpose content. A blog post becomes a tweet becomes a reel becomes a YouTube short. More content equals more chances to be discovered. Important. You don't need to go viral. You need the right one. 0 people to care about what you offer. More content equals more opportunities equals more income. Tip 3. Give value first, then monetize. Everyone wants to get paid, but Gary Vee flips it. He says, give, then ask. Create free content that helps, teaches, or inspires people. Build loyalty. Then monetize with courses, coaching, merch, affiliate links, whatever fits your niche. The more value you give, the more trust you earn. And trust, ecom in the creator economy. Deliver value before you sell anything. Crushing It isn't about fame, it's about freedom. You don't need 1 million followers to make money. You need clarity, consistency, and care for your audience. Start building, start posting, start crushing it. Like, save, and follow for more content that turns scrolls into income.